Go ahead.
Okay, when I first came here, I was miserable. I was overweight. Nothing in my body was working. My nails were breaking. My hair was falling out. I was overweight. I had no energy. Everything you ate, everything I ate, I had an allergic reaction to. I had palpitations in my neck. I had, just fatigue, unbelievable fatigue. And I hated to eat, but I needed to eat. It was like a double-edged sword, and I just couldn't function. I was barely functioning. I had no joy. Was depressed. All I wanted to do was sleep. I was hurting, and then I ended up with Lyme disease as well. So I was in a lot of pain and just miserable. But now, and so can I go now?
Go ahead. Keep telling us how good you are.
I wake up in the morning, feel so good. I have energy. The more I move, the better I feel. All I want to do is work and move. I don't want to sit down. I don't want to, I just have energy. I last the whole day. I'm not sleeping in the afternoon. I'm not taking these incredible long naps because before I couldn't function. I'd eat and fall asleep right after eating. And here it's like it gives me energy, and all I want to do is move, and my eyebrows are growing in. My nails, my nails are always breaking, and I could never grow them long. I can't grow them long. I play the violin, so I have to cut them. But, I have so much more energy. I just feel good. Overall sense of health. I just feel healthy and grateful. Okay, I was unhealthy when I got out of my 20s, and it progressed worse, Then I hit my 30s, and I ended up having gallbladder problem, and I almost died in the hospital. And ever since then, because I had so much antibiotics in my system, I had the highest form. After that, I ended up with every illness afterwards. I was constantly sick. I had shingles. I had every type of infection, and I was a constant thing, and nothing. And the more I went to the doctor, the more they told me to take an antibiotic, which screwed me up totally. My whole system was ruined. And so now they've been on this program for 12 weeks, and this taught me how to eat properly, what proper nutrition is. Before, I never ate breakfast. Now I eat breakfast. I make sure I have a protein. I make sure I have like a protein and fruit and, certain times, but I give myself allowance. And it taught me most of all self-control and how to treat the body and how to live and not to abuse the body, because this is the only body I have, and how to cherish it and take care of it. I learned so much.
Oh, you're on.
All right. So I also want to address the fact that, it did take me 12 weeks to get total health. However, if, in a conventional doctor, and the way you would do this I worked in many doctors' offices, and they have a completely different approach, giving you medications that only mask whatever your ailment is and never fix it. But even if I wanted to do this on my own, it would have taken me 2 years to change my diet and not have certain things, and I wouldn't make it. I mean, this block of time, this 3 months or 12 weeks, really helped me to, understand what I need to eat, and everything was tailored. This whole program was tailored to me. No one else, just me. And I came in and I use the laser bed and the laser treatment, the oscillator. When I first got on that the first time, I thought I was going to die. And I was thinking, how am I going to do this? But the thing that saved me with this program was I took it one step at a time. I never looked at ahead. I looked at what I had to do next. How do I deal with this? And it was step by step by step. And we used the lasers, the detoxing, and everything works together. You think it doesn't work together, but it all works together and helps your body to heal. And that's what this program did for me. It healed my body.